Hey guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial with me, your girl Latoya. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy half up, half down Bantu knot hairstyle on my 4C natural hair. Now as you can see, I'm going into part from ear to ear because what I want to do is a section of the front portion of my hair so I can go in to twist the back portion. So the product that I'll be using for the back portion of my hair is my Aunt Jackie's Curlala, and I'm also going to use my blue Magic Organics hair oil. Now you do not have to use any hair oil, but I'm just showing you the products that I use. So first I'm going to go in with my Aunt Jackie's Curlala, then I'm going to go in with my hair oil. I'm going to detangle and then twist the hair. Now I'm going to continue this process right throughout the entire back portion of my hair. And while I'm at it guys, if this is your first time tuning in, thanks for clicking onto my video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be updated as to when I post my next video. So now guys, it's actually the following day of my hair tutorial. I pinned my hair backwards just to stretch it a bit because my hair tends to shrink. I'm now going to go in to style the front portion of my hair. So for the front portion of my hair, I'll be using these small rubber bands, and I'm also going to go in with my Ultra gel wax. This is almost finished, but don't worry, I have a second one here. So first I'm going to part a triangular shape at the front portion of my hair, having the base of the triangle facing my forehead. And what I like to do guys, I like to put the Ultra gel wax onto my scalp and retrace the part so it can be as neat and tidy as possible. So now that I'm satisfied with the parted section, I'm just going to go in now with my Ultra gel wax and use my old toothbrush just to lay it as flat as possible. I'm then going to secure that portion of my hair with a rubber band, and then I'm going to twist the end of my hair. I am going to go in again to create another triangle, but this time the top of the triangle will be facing my forehead to give it the pattern that I want. So as you can see guys, I went ahead to do the same triangular parting over onto the other section of my hair. So now it's time to go in to do the Bantu knots. So I'm going to take the end of my twist here and I'm going to wrap it around in a circular motion. I'm going to try to keep it as flat as possible, and then I'm going to secure the end of the twist with a rubber band, and that's how I form the Bantu knot. So now that I've completed all the Bantu knots, I'm going to go ahead now and undo the twist at the back. So now I'm using my comb to hoist my hair to get it to the fluffy look that I want. So now guys, I'm going to go in with my Got To Be Ultra glue and my old toothbrush just to sweep my edges in. So guys, this is the final look, half up half down Bantu knot on my 4C natural hair. I also went ahead to put in some hair accessories in just to jazz it up a bit, and guys, I am truly loving this style. So I'm going to show you how I went ahead to accessorize. So guys, this is the final look, and as you can see, I only decorated 3 of the Bantu knots because I didn't want my hair to look too crowded. Guys, I am loving the look, and let me tell you something, I got a lot of compliments when I went on the road regarding this hairstyle. Guys, if you do love this hairstyle, post in the comment section to let me know, and if you have not yet done so, please to hit that subscribe button. You can also hit that notification bell so you can be updated as to when I post my next video. Thanks for watching as always, guys. Thanks for lyming with your girl Latoya, and I'll see you next week for another video.